I know what it feels like to not have health insurance coverage. And that's why I'm fighting so hard to make sure that you can keep yours. You see, when I was a child, I had a serious childhood illness. I was in the hospital for 3 months, and my family tried everything that they could to get me health insurance. But I was labeled as a child with a pre-existing health condition. And back then, health insurance companies had no obligation to cover somebody with a pre-existing condition. So I spent most of my youth without health insurance. I also know what it's like to have family members trying to get coverage, trying to do anything they can to make sure that their loved ones are safe. This is serious, and I've heard from so many Wisconsinites about their fears and anxieties that they're not going to be able to afford health care because of the Republicans' failure to renew the premium tax credits and because of the callous and harmful things they did in Trump's big ugly bill. Based on my own experience and not having health insurance as a child, I've spent my whole career fighting to make sure that people have access to high quality, affordable health care. Apparently, my Republican colleagues don't agree. They're willing to shut down the government to prevent 15 million people from having health insurance. Republicans are just expecting us to go on business as usual. I refuse to do that, especially when so many Americans are on the verge of finding out that their healthcare costs are maybe even going to double or more. I'm at the table. I'm ready to negotiate a solution that keeps the government open and brings down costs. I'm calling on my Republican colleagues. Come work with us. Let's negotiate a solution. Let's open the government and let's lower costs for all Americans.